If you've ever needed to pay a property tax bill, parking violation, business tax, or another city-related charge in New York City, you've probably come across the phrase Pay NYC Department of Finance. For many people, the process sounds intimidating at first because anything involving government payments can seem complicated, confusing, and full of paperwork. But the reality is much simpler when you understand how the system works. Imagine receiving a notice in the mail regarding a pretty tax payment or discovering that you have an outstanding parking ticket that needs attention. Your first reaction might be stress or uncertainty, wondering where to begin and whether there are penalties waiting if you delay. This is exactly why understanding the Pay NYC Department of Finance process is so important. The New York City Department of Finance is responsible for collecting and managing various city revenues, including property taxes, business taxes, parking tickets, and other municipal payments. Today, many of these transactions can be completed online, allowing residents and business owners to manage their obligations without standing in long lines or visiting an office in person. One of the biggest advantages of modern payment systems is convenience. Instead of searching through paperwork or spending time navigating multiple agencies, users can often find their account details, review balances, and submit payments through secure digital platforms. Knowing how these systems work can help you avoid unnecessary late fees, penalties, interest charges, and administrative headaches. Whether you're a homeowner trying to stay current on property taxes, a small business owner managing city obligations, or a driver resolving a parking citation, understanding how to pay NYC Department of Finance obligations correctly can save time, money, and frustration. The key is staying organized, reviewing notices carefully, verifying account information, and keeping records of all transactions for future reference. Now let's talk about some practical tips that can make the entire Pay NYC Department Finance experience much smoother. One common mistake people make is waiting until the last minute to address a bill or notice. Deadlines matter, and even a small delay can sometimes result in additional costs that could have been avoided with timely action. A good habit is to review all city-related correspondence as soon as it arrives and create reminders for important due dates. Another useful strategy is maintaining digital and printed copies of payment confirmations. If questions ever arise regarding a transaction, having documentation readily available can make resolving issues much easier. For business owners, this practice can also simplify bookkeeping and tax preparation. Homeowners may benefit from regularly checking their property tax accounts to ensure there are no unexpected balances or assessment-related concerns. Drivers who receive parking or camera violation notices should review them promptly and determine whether payment or dispute option apply. The reason the phrase Pay NYC Department of Finance receives so much attention is that it covers a wide range of financial responsibilities affecting millions of people throughout New York City. While the specific payment type may differ, the overall goal remains the same: keeping accounts current and avoiding unnecessary penalties. As technology continues to improve, the process becomes increasingly user-friendly, offering secure payment options and easier access to account information. The most important takeaway is that staying informed and proactive can prevent small issues from turning into larger financial problems. Whenever you need to pay NYC Department of Finance obligations, approach the process carefully, verify the details, keep your records organized, and make payments before deadlines whenever possible. By doing so, you'll reduce stress, maintain compliance with city requirements, and gain confidence in handling your financial responsibilities efficiently and responsibly. Understanding the system today can save you significant time and effort in the future, making city-related payments far less overwhelming than many people initially expect.